Hello YouTube users, thanks for checking out my tutorial. In today's tutorial I will simply show you how to remove an incorrect timing signature that was inserted by accident, or let's say you've changed your mind. At the bottom of the screen you'll note I've got 3/4 timing, and that's on bar number 68 up at the top, and the same is true for bar 70. When I click on 70 it says 3/4. However, on bar 69, if you look at the bottom again, you'll see it's 4/4 timing, and the same is true for bar 67. So you can see I've got clearly two insertions of 3/4 timing that I no longer wish to have. So in order to change those, it's pretty simple, but initially I struggled with figuring out that timing is also the same terminology in Studio One as signature. I kind of wish it said timing signature or signature down here, but I'll explain to you why in just a moment. If you go to the left hand corner up at the top, click on Global Track Visibility. Once you do that, choose Signature. Now if you look here, you'll see signature has been inserted and follow straight across, and you'll see my 3/4 timing insertions. Now keeping in mind, it doesn't say signature here, and it doesn't say timing up here. I truly wish the two words were conjoined, if you will, or associated somehow where it was more easy to find. But in this case, that's the purpose of this tutorial, and I'll show you how simple it is to clear out those two timing signatures. So again, once you've got this enabled here, go to the area in your timeline that you don't want, left click on it so it's highlighted. In my case, of course, again it says 3/4. I'm going to go back to the signature menu here, and I'm going to go ahead and choose delete selected. I'll do the same for bar number 70, and again, so you can see this is all in sync, if I look at bar 70 it says 3/4, and if I click on that you'll see it says 3/4 down here as well. So bar 70 is 3/4 in both places. I'm going to go ahead and click delete, and now on bar 70 you can see 4/4 timing has been restored, and the same is true on pretty much everywhere I click in my timeline. So the 3/4 timing signatures are now completely removed. That's pretty much it. I hope this brief tutorial on how to fix that issue has been helpful. If you would please click the like button, and thank you for watching and have a great day.